All right, it's done. So it's got these deep drawers down below, 8 of them, all the way across. It's got 4 big double door shelving units, and they are adjustable to whatever height. You can remove them, put more in. And then it's got 4 large upper cubbies for storage. And these things are solid. This is 1.5 inch hardwood. And they have horizontal open hinges from Sweden. Everything is pushed to open and magnetized, so you just give it a click. There it is. The doors are also pushed open. These drawers are undermount slides, so you don't see any hardware on the sides. And they're push to open and soft close. Just give it a little tap. Comes out about that much. And you can pull it out. And then just give it a little whoop. Same thing for the doors, you just click. There you go. And when the whole unit is closed up, you don't see any handles or any hardware or anything like that. It's just like one solid wall of wood. So I'm gonna close it all up real quick. One thing we did also was all of the doors from the drawers all the way up to the upper cubbies are cut from a single sheet of wood. So you'll notice that the grains line up through into the different door faces here down to the drawers. So when it's all closed up, have it. About an 1/8 inch seam between all the faces.